Namaste, my name is Prithviraj Santosh Jadhav and I am a first year student of Bharatiya Vidyapeeth's College of Hotel and Tourism Management Studies. And today I am going to talk about Awadhi cuisine. Awadh cuisine is a cuisine native to the Awadh region in North India. North India consists of states and territories as follows: Chandigarh, Delhi, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Punjab, Rajasthan, Uttarakhand, and Uttar Pradesh. Other states which are sometimes included in the northern region are Bihar, Gujarat, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, and West Bengal. The cooking patterns of Lucknow are similar to those of Central Asia, the Middle East, and the Northern India, with the cuisine comprising both vegetarian and non vegetarian dishes. The Awadh region has been greatly influenced by Mughal cooking techniques, and the cuisine of Lucknow bears similarities to those of Central Asia, Kashmir, Punjab, and Hyderabad. The city is also known for its Nawabi foods. Now, let's talk about what is the specialty of Awadhi cuisine. The Bawarchis, chef and rakabdars, government cooks of Awadh invented the dum style of cooking or the art of cooking over a slow fire, which has become synonymous with Lucknow today. Their spreads consist of elaborate dishes such as kebabs, kormas, biryanis, kaliyas, nahari kulchas, zarda, shermal, rumali rotis, and vakri parathas. The richness of Awadh cuisine lies not only in the variety of cuisine but also in the ingredients used, like muttons, paneer, and rich spices which include cardamom and saffron. Now, let's talk about 10 dishes from the Awadhi cuisine. The first dish is Awadhi mutton biryani. The second dish is Awadhi chicken dum biryani. The third dish is Awadhi aloo gobi. The fourth dish is Awadhi chicken curry. Fifth dish is Shami kebab. Sixth is Awadhi prawns. Seventh dish is Awadhi jalebi. Eighth dish is Awadhi keema. Ninth dish is Awadhi seekh kebab. And the 10th dish is Awadhi chaat. Now let's talk more about Awadhi cuisine. Now let's talk about desserts of Awadh. Winters are dedicated to halwas of all kinds that came to stay in India. There are several varieties of these prepared from different cereals such as gram flour, suji, wheat, nuts, and eggs. The special halwa or halwa sohan has four varieties: papdi, jauzi, hapshi, and dundia. Now let's talk about very interesting facts about Awadhi chefs. A whole battalion of chefs used to serve the Nawabs of Lucknow. Each chef had his own secret recipe which he used to impress the Nawab and gain favors. They neither shared the recipe with anyone nor pass it down to their descendants. Hence, many dishes died with them. Due to their intricacies and the whim of Nawab, many chefs or bawarchis were given honors and titles as reward. Some famous titles are bawarchis, nanfus, rakabdars, daroga-e bawarchi khana, head of kitchen. There were competitions organized for chefs to prove their talent. The best dish or the one most liked by Nawab was then rewarded. Thus, each chef tried to do his best and present the most exotic dish. So, from there, many dishes and cooking styles originated, such as galawat, dum pukat, kulfi, etc. A legend is said that a chef was only appointed to make mash ki dal or har ki dal on a staggering salary of 500 a month. So, this was my presentation on 10 dishes from Awadhi cuisine and a brief talk on the Awadhi cuisine and culture. Hope you all liked my presentation and got to learn about the Awadhi cuisine. So, with that said, I take your leave. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.